Thinking of using Google Fit to track your health and workouts? Here's an honest 2025 review to help you decide if it's actually worth your time or just taking up space on your phone. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal research and opinion. So what is Google Fit? According to the official site google.com/fit, Google Fit is a health and fitness tracking app designed to help you move more and live a healthier life. It tracks your steps, heart rate, and workouts using your phone or smartwatch. The app also integrates with other platforms like MyFitnessPal, Nike Run Club, and Headspace, offering a centralized hub for your fitness data. Google's big pitch is their HeartPoint system, which encourages activity that's good for your heart, not just for your step count or not just your step count. But how does it actually perform? With a 4.1 star rating and over 600,000 reviews on Google Play, feedback is very mixed. Some users say it's okay as a hub, especially for syncing between other fitness apps like Samsung Health and Weight Watchers, but the tracking features themselves, that's where the frustration comes in. One reviewer said starting a workout was easy, but stopping it took minutes of digging through menus. Another user reported incorrect step syncing from their Samsung watch, saying Google Fit ignored the correct source data. And there's a recurring issue with saved workout distances changing after the fact. One user finished a 6.29-mile run only to have it mysteriously changed to 7.09 miles later. Google Fit is decent if you need a free fitness hub or want to sync data between apps. But if you're serious about exercise tracking or detailed health metrics, you'll probably want something more reliable. It's not a scam, it's just average and a bit clunky. Have you used Google Fit recently? Let me know how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.